exchange traded quant part of the program will give you the insights that will help you get into HFT.
Do you think programs like, say, EPAT, CFA, others, would they help in grasping the skill sets required for quant, even if it's for the research side of things, on the quant research side for HFT roles?
So a very technical heavy. So by technical heavy, I mean very statistics heavy course. So be it masters in statistics, masters in finance,
Mm.
uh, definitely helps. CFA, to the best of my understanding, is a very fundamental course. So it's not a stats heavy or quant heavy course. CQF is quant heavy, but then not necessarily for capital markets. It's a lot of quant across. So like masters in finance. So these are good courses which will introduce you to a very quant and statistical way of looking at things. EPAT, this I will because I'm a director at this institute, so I might have a biased viewpoint. If I were to say as an outsider, okay. So it was designed by people who are from a high frequency trading background. Initially, all the faculty were from iRage when we started, and then that is how it was for some time before we got external guys like Arnie Chan and so on and so forth. So it has been designed by people from a high frequency trading background, and even the newer faculty that we have got from I think around 7 or 8 countries. So all of them come from a very quant heavy trading background and a very systematic trading background. And the course content, from what I see, it's actually very nicely suited. So for someone who's trying to make an initial inroad into the industry, so and someone who's already working in, say, a quant role but not in HFT, the tech part of it, how tech links to can be used to scale what we call can be used to leverage and scale up the quant strategies. So basically, how you can bridge tech. Those portions of EPAT could help you. So basically, it will give you the complementary skill set. So there could be people from the tech industry, the exchange traded quant part of the program will give you the insights that will help you get into HFT. If you come from a exchange traded quant or whatever banking or whatever quant industry, the tech part of it or the exchange traded part of it. So you might come from a banking industry, say you might just be doing risk analysis, or you might be doing some analysis of OTC products, exotic products, and so on. The EPAT programs focus on exchange traded products, the quant strategies for exchange traded products, and then the technology bit of it. I personally find it, because I could be biased because I was one of the first guys to build the initial course structure for this. But then, because it was designed by people from this industry, I find it relevant. Um, at the same time, I say that Masters in Finance, CQF, and so on. CQF is very broad, and then it's typically good for, say, that's my personal viewpoint, good for, say, getting into a quant bank role.
Right.
So exotics and so on and so forth. Yeah.
Right. Thanks. So I think we spoke decently enough on the technical side of things, but there are certain aspects more on the problem-solving mindset of people that you have hired or iRage has hired.